Hello everyone, today we've got a Makita DCS520i Chainsaw for sale. What I will say is that we had to retap this bar mount, put a little bit bigger screw, custom make a bolt, and JB welded inside, but it works great now. I wouldn't over torque it, that's what the last guy did. The other thing with it is this piece here, this rubber piece here is off a little, so you can see how the saw flexes when you bear down on the saw cutting wood. So those two things, I would say the oiler's getting a little weak, but still is okay. And then, don't run it out of gas like I've done. It's hard to get started if it runs out of gas. But other than that, starts, runs, cuts, oils as it should. The bar stop works great. It's kind of a fun little saw, so why don't we give her a run?